There's a kind of healing that lives beyond words. It doesn't come from fixing or changing. It comes from presence. And animals, they know this so well. They don't need to do anything to comfort us. They just need to be. I've come to believe that the deepest kind of support we can receive is the quiet kind. The kind that says, I see you, I'm here, I don't need you to be any different. Animals are masters of this kind of healing. They sense our energy, our grief, our joy, without ever asking us to explain it. There have been moments in my life when words failed, but the steady breath of a dog by my side reminded me that I wasn't alone. Moments when the wildness of a fox or the stillness of a deer felt like a mirror for my own inner world. And in that recognition, something inside me softened. Animals offer us a kind of sacred pause. They invite us back into our bodies, into presence, into simplicity, into truth. And when I create, I try to carry that energy into every brushstroke, not just to capture an animal's likeness, but to honor the space they hold in our lives, to reflect the peace, the grounding, the quiet knowing they offer. When we sit with animals, when we truly listen, we remember how to return to ourselves, not through striving, but through stillness, not through words, but through presence. So this week, I invite you to notice, to pause, to sit with your animal, or even just with a memory. Let their presence remind you of something that you may have forgotten. You are safe. You are seen. You don't need to do anything to be loved. The presence of animals is a quiet kind of medicine. Let it in. If this touched something in you, I'd love for you to share your story in the comments.